Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making some steak. My husband loves steak, so I thought of making some steak for him today. I only used some steak seasoning. Rub it in. Make sure to do it on both the sides. Get a good amount of butter and melt it on a pan. When I came to the US, I have no idea how to make a steak. My husband is very good at making this, so he taught me how to do this. I have followed exactly how he has taught me. This time I did not use any onions or mushrooms, which is the best part of the dish for my husband. I just wanted to make it easy this time, so I only did it this way. I let it cook for 6 minutes and then flipped it. Since he likes it medium rare, that is what I was doing, to cook it exactly for 6 minutes on each side. Once it was done, I took it out of the pan and then put it on a plate and wrapped it with foil so that the juices will come out. It is wrapped so that the moisture in the steak is remaining in it. I have still not mastered the skill of making a steak, but I do try. I overcooked it a little. However, my husband loved the steak and I served it with some fries and some broccoli. He finished it, so I'm assuming he loved it, and he did say it was good. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you loved it.